Pleasant day to everyone. In this video, let us explore the concept of horizontal symmetry using the letter cutouts and this fuzzy wire. To recall, any object or shape that can be cut into two equal halves in such a way that both halves are exactly the same is said to be symmetrical. And that line that divides the shape into two equal halves is said to be the line of symmetry. Many lines of symmetry can exist in a shape. Let us begin by investigating and identifying letters with horizontal symmetry. So all we have to do is to fold the letter crosswise. If the image on top of the fold is the same or a reflection of the image on the bottom of the fold, then we can see that the letter has horizontal symmetry. Let us explore the vowels of the alphabet. We have letter A, E, letter I, letter O, and letter U. Let's pick first letter A. Let us fold letter A crosswise. Let's fold it this way. Next, we try to put it back here on our board. Then that portion where we folded, let's put our fuzzy wire. Then let's compare. If the image on top of the fuzzy wire is the same image as the one below the fuzzy wire. Are they the same? Now, they're not the same. Therefore, we can see that the letter A has no horizontal symmetry. Next, let's get the letter E. Let us fold the letter E crosswise. So this is how letter E is folded. Then let's put it back on our board. Let's put the fuzzy wire right where we made the fold. And let's compare. Is the image on top of the fuzzy wire the same as the one below the fuzzy wire? Since the answer is yes, then we can see that the letter E has horizontal symmetry. Let's proceed to the next vowel. The next vowel is letter I. Let's fold the letter I crosswise. And this is how it will appear. Let's open it and put it back on our board. And let's put the fuzzy wire on the crease. Let's compare. So this one, we can obviously feel that the image on top is a reflection of the one below. Therefore, the vowel I has horizontal symmetry. Let's proceed to our next letter O. Let's fold our letter O crosswise. And this is how we do it. Then let's open it and let's put our fuzzy wire, which represents our line of symmetry, right where we folded our letter O. And let's feel to compare if the image on top is the same as the image below. And yes, they are the same. Therefore, we can see that the letter O has horizontal symmetry. And we're down to our last vowel, which is letter U. Let's fold the letter U crosswise. Then we open it and put it back on the board. Let's put the fuzzy wire right where we made the fold. And let's feel and touch whether the image on top is the same as the one below. And they're not the same, right? Therefore, we can see that the letter U does not have horizontal symmetry. You can try exploring the other letters of the alphabet by folding them crosswise to determine if they have horizontal symmetry. That's all for this video.